Mastering. Greater than or equal to is greater than or equal to in English. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our exciting journey into the world of English. Today, we're taking a closer look at an interesting symbol used in mathematics, and that's the greater than or equal to symbol, denoted as is greater than or equal to. This symbol doesn't just help you in your math class, it also plays a role in our everyday conversations. We'll learn about what it means and how we can use it in English. Let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what this symbol means. The greater than or equal to symbol is greater than or equal to is used to express that a number or quantity is either greater than or equal to another. For instance, in mathematics, we would say 5 is greater than or equal to 4 inches, represented as 5 is greater than or equal to 4. This means that 5 is either greater than 4 or equal to it, but in this case, 5 is obviously greater. Now, you might be thinking, how does this relate to learning English? Well, when we speak or write, we often compare things. When comparing, we might use phrases like as much as or more than. These phrases are very much like our mathematical symbol is greater than or equal to. For example, if we were to say, John has as many apples as Sarah, or more, it's similar to saying, the number of John's apples is greater than or equal to the number of Sarah's apples. Though we don't normally use the exact words, greater than or equal to, in conversation, the concept is still there. The best way to understand a concept is by practicing. So let's try to frame some sentences using this concept. Here are some examples. You need to be 18 or older to vote. This means your age must be greater than or equal to 18. She has as much experience, if not more, than her colleague. This implies her experience is greater than or equal to her colleagues. Try to make up your own sentences using this concept. This will help cement your understanding. And there you have it. You now know what the greater than or equal to symbol is greater than or equal to means and how its concept is used in English conversation. Remember, mathematics isn't just about numbers. It also helps us understand and shape our language. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!